They're hungry. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No, babe! I'm scared, please! They might eat us! No, babe, please!
We're the Solo family!
Hey guys, I'm Andre.
I'm Mercy.
I'm Yoya.
And we're the Solo family. So we checked out Lazy 5 Ranch today and it was pretty cool. The general idea was to drive through the farm, but we didn't know that you can also feed them with your bare hands and you can roll your windows down, so that was really cool. Except for the Jurassic Park scene. That was kind of scary. It was very intense in the very beginning, but it was really fun. All right, there's the Valero gas station. I have high hopes that they might have a ATM machine. I don't see any ATM signs. Nope. All right, I'm gonna go inside and see if they got anything.
I love it when you talk to me. My cash machine.
This ATM took an extra 30 minutes. I was furious. I want to spit like a llama. See, even Anastasia's upset. Hey llama, can you spit for me? Llama! Llama, can you spit for me?
Yo, bro. Yeah, sure. Why not?
Hey, we're back. So what's a happy amount?
We usually say 2 to 3 for 5.
Okay, let's do 3. Let's do it.
It's 39.
Can I eat it too?
If you like to.
Huh? You should record.
They're already waiting.
Eat them.
Look. Ostriches.
Hi.
Oh, look.
Whoa. Ew. Ew. Oh. Oh. Is this a good idea? Ew. We're stuck. Hey, don't eat my baby. Don't eat my baby. Don't eat my baby.
Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh,
He wants
my
food.
gosh.
He wants food.
Ew.
Ew.
He's slobbering on me. He's slobbering. Ew.
I have so much slobber. All right, Cal. Hey. Here's your food. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Oh, they're hungry. Oh no,
Hey, you just stole our food. We haven't even gone through.
No, babe, I'm scared, please. They might eat us. No, babe, please. Close it.
It's closed. It's not gonna get through.
Please, I'm scared.
You record it.
No. Oh my gosh, babe, please. Here's the zebra that's so cool. Let's go. Oh my god.
All right, just take your food.
No.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
not ready, babe. I'm serious. I don't like this. I thought it would be more fun.
I don't know if this is fun.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It would have been easier if it was just one cow to deal with, not both sides, and we got like babies in our hands.
Oh my gosh, hold on. I need to take a break.
I need wipes.
Babe,
It's a pretty chubby.
Can they like us?
Yeah, probably. So when my wife said in the video, she meant this. Can they this? That's the Khmer language nowadays. But she kind of mispronounced the Khmer language. It's actually chuk, not chuk. So get it right, babe.
Oh my goodness.
Let's read the pamphlet.
Ah! Babe. Oh my gosh, no, he's coming
back
back.
for more.
He's coming back. Oh my goodness.
No, where's my other bucket?
Oh, babe, go, please.
Look, Anastasia's having fun.
A little.
There's a little kangaroo. Get it.
Where? I'm here.
It's
Behind
like
us.
right on the right side.
Behind us.
It's not a kangaroo.
What is that?
It's a little deer.
What?
Oh, he's coming back for more!
If you drive through the park, animals may autograph your car. Animals may autograph your car. I love that. I want an autograph. All right. I'm wondering if we can feed ostriches. Please do not feed or pet the cows with longhorns, buffalo, or zebra. Ooh, I was feeding the zebra. All right, just take your food.
No.
Oops.
Oh, look at
Selfie.
his hair.
Don't eat my fingers. Aww, it's so nice.
It's so cute.
Don't stick your head in though, like the cow. Oi,
I know.
oi. Man, it tickles. Ow. Ow. Oh, you guys look cute. Can I feed you guys?
No, we're good. Not with your slobbery hands.
Because I got my Red Bull.
Zebra.
Uh-oh.
That's babe.
Stay away. Stay away, zebra.
It's so beautiful.
There's a light.
All right, babe. Push the window mirror open really quick, so you can see what's coming from behind. Yeah, there you go.
It's the cow coming! Yes, coming again!
I think she's still eating that wheat bread. Wheat. Oh, you just hit my hand.
Oh, what?
Man, injuries are going to happen because I am injured. Mayday, mayday. We need medic. That guy hit my hand.
Oh, he's bad. Oh, I feel bad. I'm sorry. I'm just scared of you.
They're following us.
Oh, those are clouds.
Cow's still coming. No. All right, bye-bye.
Well, look. Look at that. Lots of animals.
Is that a goat or a sheep?
I don't know.
Isn't that a
It's
sheep?
like a kangaroo deer. Eat it, eat it, eat
Let
it.
them throw them.
Don't throw, you just feed them. Okay, now feed them. Hold it, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Hey, don't autograph our car. Hey.
Oh my goodness.
All right, have it. Take it. Look, he's squeezing our car.
Mom.
Rule of thumb, if you're coming to the Lazy 5 farm, make sure you grab your Mercedes.
Mom.
I think someone is in their Tesla. Look at them buffaloes.
Oh, there's one big one right here. Coming.
Look at all these zebras, babe.
Yeah.
I can feed zebras.
No, we can't feed them.
Wait, Tay, how many zebras can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa!
I've never seen zebras.
They're
this
so pretty.
close. Yeah.
They said we can't feed you guys. I fed one of your brothers. Don't hate.
He's not hating. Oh, baby.
Yeah, there's a baby one.
Look.
Aw, it's a family. That's Mom, Dad, Amelia. Where's Anastasia? Yoo! Over here. Oh, he's coming. Hey. Tata, you don't want to feed it?
There's a
Just
zebra.
oh, he wants it to put on the floor. Here you go. He's like telling me to put it on the floor. These guys are smart. Where'd he come from? Scratching our car.
I know. There you go. Bye-bye.
Tata. Aw, Tata, what baby? You want to feed it, Tata? Uh-oh, buffalo. Buffalo. Nope.
Hurry
Nope.
up.
What's up, buddy?
Whoa, look at this black.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, look at his eyes. They're so huge.
Whoa.
Look at his eyes.
Look at his teeth.
Yeah, I know.
They're like silly teeth. They look like Anastasia's teeth right now.
There's a pretty one right here.
They're having a pool party. Can I join? Whoa!
Whoa.
Yeah, that's right. All for you, buddy.
Wow, he's eating fast.
All right, bye-bye.
Wow, he's big. Look at him.
Yeah.
Hey, Rose.
Yeah, this guy's persistent. All right. All right. All right. There you go. There you go. Have some. Have some. Isn't it good?
I can hold it.
He has sharp nails.
Yeah, because he has 2 sharp nails.
Whoa.
Can you hold it?
Zebra's coming.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Zebra's
Uh-oh.
coming.
Oh, she's pregnant. Let's... Stop. That's enough. That's enough. Hey. It's not letting me.
What? Right here.
Mom, there's another pig on here.
Run, pig, run!
He can barely walk.
Run, pig, run! You can do it!
You can do it!
Over here. We got something for you. Some candy. Aw, you want to pet it? Pet it, baby. Pet it. Isn't that cool? Oh, look, there's his boyfriend. We're gonna have a date today.
Oh, look at his hair.
Hey.
Look at his hair.
Hey. What's up, little guy? What's up? What's up?
Oh.
They stink. Their breath stink. Okay, that's enough. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. Look, there's 3 buckets.
Yeah.
4, 5,
Man, this
6.
Is...
Here's our autographs. This car, we bought this car. It's meant to have battle scars, right? Battle scars. Battlestar Galactica. Hey. So after we were done driving through, we found out that there's also a playground, there's also an ice cream shop, and there's also a barn, and there's also a peacock right next to us. Is that an egg? Is that your egg? Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? My first assumption was it's an egg. My second assumption was it's a peacock's, leftovers. But Mooresville's right, it's ice cream because I just tasted it and it was really good. Vanilla flavored, by the way. Saying help. She's really giving me a wet willy right now. And action! Are you having fun?
Yeah, that was
Hi! They have a really cool playground here. Are you a pirate? You're not a pirate? There you go. Good job. Whoa, look at that. He's climbing.
She's never on your house.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Mom, let me hold her.
Okay.
Can you like this?
Come.
That's pretty.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. Look at her.
Come here, look.
peacock bird.
Peacock bird.
It's a fantail pigeon. Yeah, it's like a mini peacock.
It's like a pigeon with a fantail.
Nope.
Mr. President.
Nope.
Mr. President.
Nope.
Peacock bird.
Where? I don't see. Whoa! I see it.
Come, see it.
Whoa.
Never seen it.
Good job, Anastasia.
Hey, I grabbed it.
Good job, toy.
Ew.
That's
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Nope.
You don't like cow poop smell? Butterfly.
There's a duckling baby goat. Look at there.
Aww.
Look, a
It's so freaking cute.
teeny tiny baby.
It was just born. They're just born, babe. They're barely walking. It's like Anastasia.
just like Anastasia.
Well, Anastasia. Whoa. Who are you, sir? It's silly. You sure? You sure?
Anastasia feed it?
Yeah.
It likes it.
Aww.
Baby goat.
Yo, what's up? Let's box. They look like they're all exhausted from boxing all day. Isn't it cute? Aww.
Oh, can you touch the other one?
I'll try. Hey. Titi, let's go look at camels.
I don't want. She's gonna eat you. She's like gonna leak.
Ooh, I like the black and yellow bamboo. You know what that means?
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
3, good job. High five. You're right, 3 turtles. Anastasia, how many turtles?
Patung there, patung. Hosana, Tina story kay Shia.
Yeah.
What animal did Jesus ride?
The donkey.
Yeah, do you see donkeys?
Our car did get scratched up too.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Yeah, pretty
on
bad.
both sides.
There was a warning sign saying that they're going to autograph your car, but I guess all the animals really want to autograph our car because they know we're the Solo family. If you don't want your car scratched or get an autograph, then ride a wagon. There's an option to ride a wagon. You have to reserve that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you don't care if your car gets scratched, it can get either 1 scratch, 2 scratch, or 20 scratch. It always depends. These animals are random. Just have fun.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and eat some ice cream.
Can you say we're the Solo family? No?
No, 3, 2, 1.
Peacock!